Namaste.
We are from Kathmandu Marriott Hotel. Today we are going to show you the romantic setup of towel art by using the bath mat, bath towel, and also by using the hand towel. We are going to make the swan with the bath towel. For that, we need to use the bath towel. So we make the half with the bath towel, holding center. So we can catch with the top, and then we will roll with the from the one side. Make sure it will be the more tight so it will looking nice. So the same way we can use the another bath towel also and make the same. So we can use with the bath mat. So we can use the feather for that one with the swan feather, like a folding like this. Swan is ready, so we are going to make some romantic with the setup with the face towel also. Thank you for watching our video.
Namaste.